Hi everyone, this is my YouTube channel that I've created for education purpose. Here I'm going to walk you through all the project management skills that I'm applying in my current projects. So the first topic which I'm taking is Primavera P6. So under Primavera P6, first you need to create an enterprise project structure. So basically, enterprise project structure is a hierarchy of the projects that organizes in your organization. So in simple words, you can organize your projects region wise, company wise, location wise, or in whatever format your company wants to see the figures. Okay, so let's get started. This is going to be really useful for you, and by the end of this session you will feel more confident about this. And don't worry if it feels new, we will take it step by step. Okay, so this is one of the example that I want to show you with you. So for example, we have an ABC company, and under ABC we have two regions. One is India, one is Australia. And under India we have engineering, construction, procurement, and under Australia we have same engineering, construction, and procurement. So this is one of the hierarchy that I've created for you. You can also create one for you, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to leave your comments in the comment section. Okay, so why I have created like this? For example, someone in your organization want to see how many projects in you have under India region and how many projects you have under Australia, so you can usually see those details. And if they further want to see, for example, how many projects are under engineering which are still active, how many projects under construction which are still active, or if they want to see the budget, what is the overall budget of India's project, what is the overall budget of the project which comes under Australia. So this is a hierarchy that you can prepare. So without further ado, let's get directly jump into the Primavera P6, and I can teach you how to create an EPS. Okay, so this is the first interface of the Primavera P6, and this is my version 24.12. Okay, so whenever you open the Primavera P6, you will going to see this interface. Okay, so if you can see, when we click on this enterprise and when we click on enterprise project structure, so if you can see, these are all the enterprises that is already created. Okay, so what we can see, we can just zoom in, or maybe zoom out, or maybe we can apply zoom to best fit. Okay, so this is the basic. So for example, if you can see under enterprise, okay, there is three enterprises. One is enterprise, which is the default one. There is, this is Australia enterprise, and this is UK. So these two I have created. Okay, so under enterprise of the already created, we have like engineering, construction, energy services, manufacturing, product development, corporate programs, and IT. And under this we have this. So these are the hierarchy that it is default created. Now if you want to create one enterprise, so what you need to go, you need to just click on this enterprise. Okay, add, click add button. Okay, and then you can just change this view to the table view. Okay, so here if you can just keep this out of the circle and just collapse all. Okay, so I'm creating the same with the word file. So for example, we have an ABC company, so here you can just give a code ID. Okay, and then we have this ABC. Okay, under ABC we have two regions. One is India, okay, and other one is also India. Don't worry if it feels tricky for now, but it will get easier step by step. Okay, then we have Australia. Okay, and under India we have created, you can just click on up and then you can keep this under India. We have engineering. Then we have, next one is construction. Then we can just click this copy and then we can just here paste. Okay, click on this paste. So now you can see, click OK, click OK. Okay, so now here you can see that we have created, let me just collapse this. So we have created this ABC enterprise, and under which we have India. So just give a I code, IND, I'm giving IND, and here I am giving Australia. So this is Australia, and this is okay, Australia I already have, so I can just give Australia 1. Then here you can give engineering 1, construction 1, procurement 1. Okay, and you can just copy it, and here you can give engineering 2, and here construction 2. Then we have procurement 2. Okay, okay, so this is the first step you have to create while you are planning to create any of the project. Okay, just go to the file and just click on refresh if there is any data that needs to be refreshed. So now if you can go to the enterprise, and when you have the chart view, so here you can see under ABC. Okay, under ABC you have India, you have Australia, and under India you have engineering, construction, procurement, and under Australia you have engineering, construction, and procurement. Now I tell you why it is important. Okay, so for example, if someone wants to ask you what is the total budget of the your company, and if they further want to break it down by region, so what you can do, you can just go and click on this column, and then you can just click on customize, and here you can use like what is the current budget, what is the original budget, what is the proposed budget. You can just click on this original budget. Okay, so now right now there is no budget, so you see that these values are zeros, but when you have budgets you can see the values. So this is the important thing why you have, because for example you don't have any data, you don't need to go somewhere and do the calculation manually and provide your data. So you can here you can find any of the column, like for budgets, for cost, and then we have dates, we have duration, general number of activities, percentage complete. So you have many things available. You can just click within a single click, you can just move from here to there, and you can just give the data, and then you can just print the section and you can share with your uh, line manager or the reporting to whom you are reporting. Okay, so yeah, this is it for the first video, which is enterprise project structure, which is the main or the number one step while you are planning to create a project in the Primavera P6. So yeah, I will see you in next session. Bye.